Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for April. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now, another quick disclaimer that I want to give is from this month, I will be starting a new series of videos for you. So please subscribe for this channel and just look forward to what's coming in this particular channel. Okay, now let's quickly see what we have for you for this month. Now Taurus, what I see here is you have the Knight of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, and the Death card. Your person has the Tower card, the Seven of Swords, and the Queen of Wands. We will also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and what is the outcome in this relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have the Hermit card. So you could be dealing with a Cancer, okay? I'm sorry, you could be dealing with a Virgo, and that could be one of the signs that you are dealing with currently. I also see that maybe you or your person has taken some time off and is trying to reflect. Now, when I come back and I see this particular spread here, what I see is you are taking very small steps, okay? It's as good as you are not walking towards this person or taking any steps forward. So it looks like that you are just not interested, but that's not the case. With the Knight of Pentacles, this person, takes calculated risks. So they take very small steps, but when they do, they will march forward, okay? Now, what I see is maybe you are trying to do some analysis, because once you come out of this energy, you will move to the Page of Wands energy, which is a very fast moving energy compared to the Knight of Pentacles. So you would want to rush in and tell this person that you are physically attracted and you feel a lot of passion for them. Now, what I see is for this particular thing to happen, we have the Death card, which means a transformation is required in this relationship. Your person, on the other hand, has the Tower card, which means that there will be some unexpected, breaking down of things. So if this particular relationship was built on faulty grounds, which means if there was lies, deceit, somebody was not honest, then all that will come crumbling down, because the Tower is nature's way of coming in between two people, okay, and fixing things that we as humans are not able to do at times, okay. That's where you go ahead and realize that there is a superpower, okay. So that's the Tower that this person will see very soon. Now it could be because I see the Seven of Swords in their spread, okay, which means that they could have done something deceptive and they thought that they would be, okay to just go ahead and hide it from you. But no, that doesn't happen. The Tower comes in because we might think as humans that we can fool the other person, but there is somebody who watches us, okay. Now this could have happened because of the Queen of Wands, okay. Now Queen of Wands is normally somebody who's very attractive, and that could have been why this person might have done something which is a little deceptive. Now let's quickly take one card, which is the common feeling that both of you have. So the mutual feeling is the Wheel of Fortune, which means the wheel has to turn in your favor so that both of you can go ahead and correct things. What is the blockage in the relationship is the Justice card, which means that there is no justice, okay, in the relationship currently. You or the other person feels that there was no justice, you were betrayed, you were lied to, and that's what is impacting this relationship. What I see as the outcome of the relationship is the Four of Swords, which means that one or both the parties will take some time out. They will go ahead and just step back because they don't know what step they should take currently to fix this situation. Now let's take one card here to understand what is the intention of this person for you. So the intention that I see here is the Nine of Cups. Now Nine of Cups is very positive energy. This person definitely loves you, but it also showcases kind of a little laziness that this person has. They don't want to take that step forward because they're very content. Let's take another card here. They have the Queen of Swords, which means that whenever you guys will talk, okay, definitely go ahead and have a very honest conversation, because otherwise I see that the other person is going to just cut them off. Now another intention that I see here is the High Priestess, which means that This person is already aware, or you are already aware, that there's something that is going on. There's some secret which you have this inkling feeling for, but you're not able to put your finger on that and say that that's what is exactly going on. Now let's take one card here, which is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is the Indusonite Tektite. The crystal message is, have you been noticing that things seem to happen unexpectedly? Are old injuries coming back to be reviewed? It is time to dissipate the emotional charges, attachment and expectations. As you heal those around you and essentially the planet. Be in the place of allowing and enjoy life. The message here from Archangel Sandalphon, I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. Now that's all I have for you for this particular month. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe the channel. Until the next video, stay safe and love yourself first.